Do you live in a big city? Do you live in a big city? No, I live in a small town. No, I live in a small town. Do you like your town? Do you like your town? Yes, I like it very much. Yes, I like it very much. What do you do? What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a student. What do you study? What do you study? I study English. I study English. What do you do study English? What do you study English? I want to travel. I want to travel. Where do you want to travel? Where do you want to travel? What is your favorite? What is your favorite room? My favorite room is bedroom. My favorite room is bedroom. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza. Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Do you need any help? Do you need any help? Yes, can you give me some water? Yes, can you give me some water? How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? I have three siblings. I have three siblings. Do you like it here? Do you like it here? I love it here. I love it here. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? No, I don't like smoking. No, I don't like smoking. Are you busy? Are you busy? No, I am not busy. No, I am not busy. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel good, thank you. I feel good, thank you. How old is your brother? How old is your brother? My brother is 20 years old. My brother is 20 years old. What is his name? What is his name? His name is John. His name is John. What is your dream? What is your dream? My dream is to travel world. My dream is to travel the world. How do you relax? How do you relax? I relax by reading a book. I relax by reading a book. What do you do on Sunday? What do you do on Sunday? I play sports on Sunday. I play sports on Sunday. What time do you go home? What time do you go home? I go home at 7 p.m. I go home at 7 p.m. Are you afraid of snakes? Are you afraid of snakes? Yes, I am very afraid of snakes. Yes, I am very afraid of snakes. How long have you waited? How long have you waited? I have waited for 30 minutes. I have waited for 30 minutes. What do you need? What do you need? Actually, I need your help. Actually, I need your help. What do you want? What do you want? I want to be a wife. I want to be a wife. Do you think I'm fat? Do you think I am fat? No, you look great. No, you look great. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I want to earn a lot of money. I want to earn a lot of money. Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? Of course. Of course.